Alright guys, it's New Year's Eve and then you probably know what that means. It's time for New Year's Eve special. So, done something different. Instead of at the panel, we've got the panel's batteries. So we've got them set up like this, so they are 24 volts. Over here, we've got a Simplex 2099, I think. I don't know, it's the newer style T-bar I have. We have the Simplex True Alert selectable free run horn strobe, Wheelock exceeder. This is the EST Genesis system sensor P2RL and the Gentex Commander 3, which I hope I have it wired up correctly, and I'm not exactly sure. I haven't set that one off yet because I just recently got a mounting bracket for it. So that's something I need to set off. So we're just kind of waiting for the time to get there now. When the time comes, I'm gonna pull this, and these are all gonna go crazy, I'm sure, at the same time. It's gonna be a lot of fun. So we're just waiting. Okay, here we go. Oh boy. Well, that was noisy. Happy New Year.